say, it's your girl. And Trice, y'all, she didn't say her intro. She was supposed to say, it's your girl B.
It's your girl B, and it got anything.
Y'all, but today we taking it easy today. We actually, well, B finished the tree today, y'all, so y'all can be able to see the tree today. And see, I promise y'all, I've been posting videos, I've been doing Vlogmas, I kept my promise to y'all.
Girl, you got about 28 more days.
Yeah.
29 more days.
Now I'm about to prop the phone up right here. Can y'all see me? Okay, y'all can see me. First, I'm about to go wash my hands. First, I'm going to tie this shirt off because this is annoying.
Oh, I got some stuff on my shirt.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix my clothes, man. You up this?
No, you got y'all camera away. I'm the old bunny type. Call your daddy up, take me shopping on Rodeo Drive. You ain't getting none of my love.
Alright, y'all. This girl got the holiday cookies. We got chocolate chip. I don't think we're going to do all of them today, though, y'all. We probably going to save one for tomorrow. So, we're going to do the holiday chocolate chip today. And we got some kind of sugar cookies in the freezer. Let me find my spatula, y'all. Got my spatula. The reason why you need a spatula when you baking cookies, y'all. No, for real. You need a spatula because you can't even see me. Y'all need a spatula when you bake cookies because y'all put a spatula in the freezer and they get a cookie the shape it's supposed to have. Please don't tell us we can't cook. Whoa, I should have let this thaw out. What? This always froze.
Guess it's back to the basics. Oh my god. Are you dead serious right now?
Yeah, they froze.
You know you probably somewhere getting wasted because you ate it.
Patient and you a big weight. So go. Shake it up, shake it up.
Hey.
Let's go. See y'all, we got spray the pan. I'm gonna get out here so y'all can see me.
But I need to get a
Come over. Then place the cookies on here. Break it up. This cookie dough froze, y'all. I left it in the freezer overnight. And yes, some of them will be bigger than the other ones because I asked them.
And yes, so don't ask questions unless you want a cookie.
Froze.
What's wrong with you?
Crazy.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, I gotta go take some videos on private.
Tell them what happened, B.
This is what happened, y'all. You know how you single in life, so you tend to talk S-H-I-T. So you say you cheat, you know what I'm saying? Well, see, let's just say B talked a little too much.
No, y'all, we're gonna have to do 2 batches.
Who cares? Who cares?
Usually, y'all, I don't have to do 2 batches because I usually put them together, but I'll make them the perfect size today.
Please do.
Okay. Now, see, I got them laid out. Like I told y'all, one of them gonna be bigger than the other ones because I accidentally broke the cookie dough, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? We getting ready for the holiday cheer. Now they getting ready to go in the oven, y'all. Look at that salad, y'all, and that shrimp. I'm about to stick my hand in that shrimp.
Stop! Get back. Move. Show them my table. Look, y'all, I made this. You know.
Yep.
I made this, you guys. It's glitter, of course.
Be in the glitter.
With the little red sand, you feel me? It goes in the middle of the table. A little tablecloth, you know what I'm saying? You know, nothing major, you guys. You know, you gotta get, okay. You can flip the camera back on you.
This is Vlogmas Day 2. We are on a roll, baby. Can't nothing stop us. I'm trying to get B. Y'all coming down below and tell B that we need to do the gingerbread house challenge. Cause right now she ain't feeling it. And B finished the Christmas tree, y'all. And we watching Girls Trip, y'all. And Mama sleep. I told y'all we was gonna get some more bowls and stuff. And look, it's done. Oh, the lights should be on. My ears is playing peekaboo.
Y'all, this is weird. Y'all weird. You weird.
Who weird? Y'all, I made B dress up today.
B don't want to do this. B don't like this. This hurt my nose.
I said the same thing last night when I was doing my reaction. The tree is finally done.
Look at my glittery bow. If y'all don't know, I love glitter. Okay. Move your hand. Y'all do not know I love glitter, you guys. So take a look at my glittery bow. I got some glitter snowflakes, glitter star, glitter bomb. I love glitter. Don't y'all know that? I just love sparkling stuff. You feel me? Anyways, this is my tree. I mean, this is our tree. I decorated it. You will go to camera up. I decorated it. But yeah, this is my nice bow. This bow actually cost me $15 at Walmart. I got this last year. And I just saved it. I'm going to save it every year. That's too much damn money for a bow. Anyway. Mom. Got some little garland. You feel me? Red up. Go back up, ma'am. You're horrible. You got to be fired. Looking for a professional video person, you know, comment below. She's gonna be fired. I got some red and gold. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I got glittery bows too right here. You see it? Yeah, I love glitter. Okay, this shit hurt my nose. I can't. Okay, y'all. Be out the spirit. Fuck this. I'm done. I quit. Camera on you. I quit. Turn your nose off when you do.
Yo, I'm hollering. She a mess. Yo, and then B put up the flower thingy today, y'all. I forgot what this is called.
It's a pancetta.
Yeah, pancetta. What she said?
Pancetta.
Pancetta.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Pancetta.
And we about to get ready to eat some salad, y'all.
I'm gonna get it out.
Mm-hmm. I'm really choking, y'all. Choking.
Let me do it.
Yeah. Hold on, let me flat these first.
Okay. They flatten up. Let me do it.
No, they're not flat. I know. You know what I'm saying, y'all? These last couple days, we've been getting some crazy comments, y'all. But you know what? I'm going to ignore it. I'm going to shake it off.
You sound bothered.
I'm so tired of people saying this, that, and the third. You know what?
Yeah, I feel.
If you got something to say, this is what you can do.
Now you see how I feel. They're like the main reason why I love YouTube for real. I really got tired of people. But I know me. I'm snapping y'all my goodness will come out.
That's why B started doing reactions, y'all. But if there's any challenges or anything like that, y'all comment down below. And B will be glad to do challenges and stuff like that. But she do not want to do the gingerbread house challenge. So I need y'all to comment down below and tell her to.
I don't like gingerbread house challenge.
No, we don't. But yeah, y'all. So this is our Vlogmas day 2. Tomorrow, what we doing tomorrow, B?
Tomorrow?
I think B doing a little Christmas shopping tomorrow.
I don't know tomorrow, you guys. I got some gifts to give, apparently. Yeah, I'm single, so I'm accepting gifts from family.
So it's gonna be day. What's the word? Y'all see how perfect it is?
Don't show the bottom, dude. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It just melt in your mouth.
Yeah, I made cookies. Don't explain, no, I did that. I just helped do nothing. I have to do nothing, you guys. Okay. Fine, you got me.
Okay, but yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. This cookie is bomb.
Why do you want popcorn? It's short. The block is short.
No, it's not. It's 9 minutes.
12 minutes? They ain't good for 12 minutes? Ooh, y'all heard it. And Trice ate all the cookies already. What? I'm just playing, Mom.
What Mama said?
Mama said, what?
Look how bitch be going, friend.
Just said what? Y'all look, we got some Christmas,
Some Christmas, whatever the thing's called.
the oven.
Right. But y'all, in a few minutes, well, not even a few minutes, in the next minute, we'll probably be sitting down in the living room watching Girls Trail. So y'all come in down below and tell us what are y'all doing for y'all Vlogmas Day too?
And then this is the cookies.
All of them.
There you have your Christmas cookies. Ooh, they're gonna fall, y'all, my bad. Let me flip you.
Then tomorrow is gonna be sugar. We got sugar cookies with the Christmas tree on there. But B said she's doing a little shopping, so we might say the sugar cookies for another day.
Yeah, I was gonna let my boo-boo, my goddaughter, our goddaughter, help make some cookies. But she's not here with us right now. She may join us again tomorrow, Tuesday. Somewhere in these vlogs, we will see boo-boo.
Right.
Here's a mess, y'all.
Maybe we can go get boo-boo tomorrow, and then B can do the gingerbread house challenge. It's like the gingerbread house challenge is simple. It's like me and you and Boo Boo sitting at the table, but Boo Boo gonna be on your team because you need an extra person on your team.
I don't need nobody on my team.
And we're gonna see who gingerbread house look the best. We're gonna let the people vote.
I wanna let Boo Boo do okay?
Okay. So there you go, guys. Confirm. I'm gonna get the graham crackers tomorrow. We already got the stuff in there. We just gotta get some cheap looking candy from Dollar Tree. Boom.
You know.
Yes.
Sounds horrible.
Be mad because my Christmas tree go a little bum and hers go a little done. Y'all don't be laughing at my edges either. Because they're not controlled right now.
It is on. And your booty, no. And your stomach going fat. And your nose on.
I was going to take my hair down today, y'all, but I'm going to leave it up one more day.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because you ain't going to help me. And B help me take down my hair, and then y'all be able to see how my hair look tonight when I do reactions.
You're not taking down my hair right now.
She ain't taking down no hair, y'all, so y'all ain't going to see my hair until tomorrow.
I'm supposed to see you in Happy.
I know y'all tired of seeing these braids, but I'm tired of seeing them. I don't got nothing else to do to them. Get your ass out of the camera.
Okay. Sorry. I just thought y'all want to see it. And y'all so worried about if I have a butt or not. I don't, okay? I don't.
Yo, I tried to get B to do the thank you next reaction with me. She was like,
How do you do that?
the thank you next reaction?
How do you do it?
What you mean it's a reaction to a song by Ariana Grande?
Oh, I thought you told me like dating somebody and then break up with them. Thank you next, like that. I didn't know you saw a song.
But that's what it's like, the theme of the song, though.
No, I don't want to do it. I don't like reaction. Sorry. You need to tell you need y'all. She's looking for a person to do reaction with her. Comment down below if you want to do reaction with Trice. You know.
No, y'all, I'm good. I can do reactions by myself, and then me and B, we do the challenges, you know what I'm saying? B said that she's going to hit Trice with some pranks. Y'all know she ain't pranked me back since the last prank I did on her, so she going to mess around and get hit again with another prank.
No, you're going to mess around and get hit.
We're going to see. Y'all stay tuned this week.
Please say something. Because B got some of her sleep.
I got something on
And
my
I got a long sleep too. I got a lot of my sleep.
Y'all, we got a special camera coming this week, so I'm going to see if B going to start. The whole purpose of getting this camera was for B to start doing pranks too, so I'm going to see what B got up her sleeve. She ain't fooling with me though, y'all. Y'all already know. By the time B prank me, I'll be on prank B 5 times. Watch, y'all. I promise y'all. We got some pranks coming for this Vlogmas. It ain't just gonna be no cookies. It ain't just gonna be no brownies. It ain't just gonna be no challenges. We got some pranks coming, y'all.
Yeah, we really don't do too much to do a lot of vlogging.
Right. So y'all gonna be glad.
Ma'am, they cooling off right now. But yeah, we really don't do too much. But we be doing vlogs anyway. Like,
But we've been doing good, y'all.
We normally
Like,
just be chilling and just cooling, you know?
right.
Or, you know, here and there, eat here and there.
But I guess I get ready to end y'all since it's 15 minutes. And just to let y'all know, it's gonna be about 20 ads in this video.
And don't skip not one.
Right, I'll put all of them not skippable.
The worst.
Alright, say bye to y'all.
Bye, horse.
I said, alright, say bye to y'all.
Bye, horse.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, horse.
Stop calling them that.
Bye, horse.
No, y'all ignore her.
Bye,
Bye.
guys. Bye, heifers. Bye,